Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel, and for those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shibabs, and in this video we're going to unbox, well, not necessarily, maybe unpack, but definitely check out this bubble gun. We're going to go through the general specs and just try to let you know if it's worth the money. So without further ado, let's get started. On opening, the package only comes with a gun and a container for the liquid. Now, since this product doesn't come with instructions, quite understandable as using it is quite straightforward, we're still going to quickly go through and see how it works and probably what you can do with it. So first thing you want to do is go to the battery compartment. First thing I observed and really liked about this is the safety. It has a small screw there so kids can easily get to the batteries, and who knows what else may happen afterwards. Open the compartment using a screwdriver and insert 4 AA batteries. I wish it came with a rechargeable battery, but you get what you pay for. Besides, you can also go to any store and get 4 AA rechargeable batteries if you don't want to spend money each time buying batteries, which is like a big hole in the pocket. To give you a heads up, if you don't know how to insert the battery, just follow the directions on there, positive with positive and negative with negative. After that, we close the compartment. While at this stage, you want to probably test to confirm battery is working well. Here at the front, you have this little bulb in the middle, so you have night mode. You can even use it as a fan in case of power outage. So after all done, fill up your liquid container and place it back. Okay. So you give it a while to let the liquid pass in through, and then you just and it shoots. So in the end, we're going to give this a 9 out of 10. Reason being that it doesn't come with a rechargeable battery, but other than that, a great toy. If you're just looking for something quick to give to somebody or something like that, or if you just want something for the kids to play around with, something that they can break and things like that, get them this. They might like it. What I do like, however, is that it's affordable. The night shooting thing which glows in the dark of blue color, and yeah, you can also use it as a fan. I thought that was pretty cool. That was a nice touch right there. So keep on shopping like a billionaire, and that's it for now. Hope this video has been helpful and has given you enough information on this bubble gun. If you're interested in knowing more about where you can get this or something similar or even better, you can click on the links below in the description. I appreciate your time here. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. Also, let me know what you think about this product or this toy in the same section, and if you already have or had any experience with it, don't forget to share them below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell button so you get notified when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you in the next one.